Welcome to Click and Learn YouTube channel.
Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie. Today I got Mini 1 2019 model. Basically customer complaints screen washer not working. We'll see what I can do for that problem. I'm going to operate screen washer and have a look what's going on there. You can see driver side fine, passenger side not working. Right, could be simple thing. What I'm going to do, I'm going to give tiny air pressure and try to blow in if it's something stuck. If it not, I have to open the bonnet and clean from the inside. However, I'll try from the outside easy way. I have two sizes. I'm going to try long nozzle here first. We'll see if it not, I'm going to use my smaller gun. We'll try. Right. We'll try now. Now it's look like a glue came out from this nozzle. What I'm going to do, I'm going to open the bonnet and I need to remove this panel to feed to the nozzle. I'm going to remove the full cover because otherwise I can't film it nicely. Because of the job, I don't want to remove the whole unit, but I'm going to do complete panel. Then you can have a good look. Right, next step, I'm going to remove this clip. Just lift up and take out the tube. Just lift up. Right, then after that I can remove the thing. What you need to do, you have to use it something here. Just lift up. When you lift up, this thingy going to be expand. Then after that you can remove the pipe. I try to operate the screen washer and have a look what's going on there. Yeah, see, it has a nice flow, but I feeling unfortunately something happened to this nozzle. I'm going to blow out again and have a look. I'm going to install this one and try. Yeah, I'm success. Right, all fixed. I'm going to close the bonnet and have a look now. It's worked fine, but horrible smell, very yucky. It's like a urea, you know. If someone using the socks over weeks, sometime when you remove the socks, very yucky. Yeah, because I feeling chemicals react inside and very yucky smell. But however, it's doing the job. I had to advise to the customer, use the water until winter come. Then need to flush it out everything. If it not, we need to remove the bottle. We need to clean everything. it's going to be cost money. Because of that, I'm going to say use water until this. You don't want to come to garage, you know what to do. See you in the next video.